Hello friends, welcome back to cadtutorials. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 110 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Here take extrude command and we'll take extrude here of 36 mm. This will be single side extrude and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command once again. From the same center point, we'll make a diameter of 88 mm. Go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction to cut. So you can see here it will cut and the depth of cut will be 23 mm. Press OK. Now here select this inner face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. You can see the top view. Take the circle command. From the center point, make one circle here. We'll take here a diameter of 32 mm. Make one circle here of diameter 15 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point, select the center. So this will be vertically aligned. Go to dimension, select the center, select the center. Here we will give dimension of 32 mm. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, select this circle. Now it will ask you the axis. For axis we will select the dia 32. Now we will define the count of 3 and the filling angle here will be 360 degree. Press OK. So this will be the profile. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude command. Select all the profiles. Go to home. Now here I'll flip the direction. So this will be a cut profile. You can see here the cut option is selected and press OK. Okay. Now here go to origin. We'll select here the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch once again. Take here rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here. Go to dimension. Define the width here as 10 mm and this height here also 10 mm. Okay. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center and select the center. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Here I will flip the direction to cut and here I will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Now here go to 3D model. Take the circular pattern, select this profile. Now go to rotation axis, select this as rotation axis. Here we will take a count of 4, 360 degree the angle and press OK. Okay, so this will be the top cut. Now here go to part 1. We have completed this portion. Now we are going to make this mounting portion. Go to part 2. Here we will select the bottom face, the exit plane, go to create sketch. Take the circle command. Here make one circle of diameter 20. From same center point, make circle of diameter 10. Okay. Go to line command. Make one joining line here. Similarly one joining line here. And make one center line. Okay. And escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to dimension. Define this line here and the distance here will be 68 mm. The angle from center line here will be 15 degree. Similarly here the angle from center line will be 15 degree. Okay. Go to tangent constraint, select this line, select the circle, select the line, select the circle. Okay. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now escape. take the arc command and we will take here center point arc. We will select the center point and we will select this as first point and this will be the second point and escape. Okay, now I will select this yellow portion, make it construction. Only this profile will be in solid. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this complete profile. Okay, go to extrude once again. We will not select this whole, select this and select this. Okay, now here the extrude will be of 12 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now here go to fillet command, take here a fillet radius 2.5, go to edge selection, select this face, this, rotate and select this face. Okay, so this will be complete round and press OK. Go to home. Now I want a pattern of 3, so go to circular pattern, select extrude 5, select fillet 1, go to rotation axis, select this as rotation axis, and here I'll take a count of 3, 360 degree will be the angle and press OK. Go to home view. From top this will look like this. So these are the mounting holes. Okay, now we'll give the appearance. I've taken here the galvanized, so I'll type GA. You can see here the galvanized and press enter. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video.